Ready, Cooper? I'm shaking it up.
Okay.
Get ready.
Let's shoot this sucker. I completely missed. Let's try that again. Just a sec. This might take a while. It's kind of hard
You might want to
reload.
fast forward through this part right now.
Like 10 seconds.
10, 20 seconds.
Okay, now. That was embarrassing, that shot. Honestly. Ah! Oh, that got everywhere.
Let's go check it out.
Okay, let's drink it. Oh, or not. Whoa, that thing exploded. Show the camera.
Wow.
Damage.
That's what's left of it. That's what's left of it from. Can I see this?
Oh, it went through too. Look.
Oh, it went through.
Yes, this is not a real gun. This is just a BB gun.
See, it's a
We
BB
have
gun.
parents'
We'll show you.
permission.
I'll show you.
See all
here
these
are the
BBs?
BBs. Yeah. Real BBs though.
Yeah.
They're the copperhead BBs. That was awesome, right, Cooper?
Yeah.
And we shot this one previously, which was actually drinkable.
Yeah. Yeah. So yeah,
Well, you can see the damage difference. And it's right.
this is
This
damage
is
number 1.
damage number 1, and then turn it.
And then
that
this.
happened, and then this, that to that. Ooh, it stinks. Okay.
And now we're all covered in Coke. Just look at the ground.
That was fun.
Look at the ground.
That was awesome,
It's
wasn't
all
it?
wet.
That's from both experiments.
And there's my dog's poop. No one wants to see that.
Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. On the Move Away.